A wonderful morning to the wonderful students. May you have a bundle of great things in the day. A very good morning to all of you. Today we will revise chapter 19, Save Wildlife. In this chapter, we had already learned about the wildlife and its conservation. We also discussed about why the number of wild animals are decreasing day by day, and we also learned about how to conserve our wildlife. So, let's start the revision of Save Wildlife. Today we will discuss this chapter with the help of story of one boy, Naveen. Naveen was pleased to know that his class was going on an educational trip to Jim Corbett National Park. A few days before the trip, Naveen's class teacher briefed the students on how they should conduct themselves at the park. She strictly instructed them not to tease any animal or offer them food. Naveen asked his teacher about wildlife and its conservation. Teacher told the students that wildlife refer to any wild animal or plant living in its natural habitat. There are more than 5,000 species of animals and 1,200 species of birds found in Indian forest. Our rich and varied wildlife is our greatest national heritage. The famous Bengal tiger has its home in the Sundarbans of West Bengal. Monkeys and elephants are found in the forest of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. When you visit Kaziranga National Park, which is in Assam, you see the one-horned rhinoceros. The Gir National Park in Gujarat is the home to the majestic Asian lions. Naveen asked his teacher why the number of wild animals is decreasing at such an alarming rate. The teacher explained some of the reasons. The main reasons are deforestation and excessive hunting. Due to an increase in population, more and more trees are being cut down to make rooms for industries, agricultural farms and cities. Cutting down trees had led to the destruction of habitat of many wild animals. It is called as deforestation. Early humans lived in forest. They killed wild animals for food. Today, humans kill animals not just for food, but for various other reasons also. For example, animals like leopards, tigers, crocodiles, and snakes are being killed for their skin. Their skin is used for making leather goods. The Indian rhinoceros is being killed for its horns, as it is said that it has some medicinal properties. Animals are our national heritage and must be protected. Tough measures to save wildlife has been introduced. Hunting of animals is completely banned. It is now considered a punishable offense. A large number of national parks and wildlife sanctuaries have been set up in different parts of the country. These places are reserved and protected areas where animals and birds live freely. Preventing deforestation is another way of preserving wildlife. Publicity media, such as radio and television, are being used to create awareness among people about the importance of wildlife. We help to conserve wildlife by refusing to buy things made of ivory, horns, and animal skin. Wildlife Week, which starts from October 1st to October 8th, is observed every year with a view to educate people on the importance of wildlife. When the famous Bengal tiger of Sundarbans was threatened with extinction, the government started Project Tiger. Under this program, tigers in various parts of India were given protection, and this program proved to be very effective. Currently, 27 tiger projects are being run in 14 states. The number of tigers has started to increase. The experience gained from these projects is now being used to run the Rhino project. Rhinoceroses are being protected at the Kaziranga National Park. Let us make our country home to a rich variety of wildlife. We should protect our wildlife so that we can pass on our national heritage to future generation. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.